Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like and subscribe to our videos. Toyota Sienna Maintenance Guide, Key Tips and Schedules. Owning a Toyota Sienna is a great investment, but keeping it in top shape requires regular maintenance. By staying on top of your Sienna's upkeep, you ensure it remains safe and reliable and retains its resale value. Regular maintenance checks can prevent costly repairs and unexpected breakdowns. This guide will walk you through essential maintenance tips and schedules, helping you extend the life of your vehicle and enjoy a smooth driving experience. Stick with us as we simplify the steps to keep your Sienna running perfectly. Understanding the Toyota Sienna maintenance schedule. Maintaining your Toyota Sienna is crucial to ensuring it runs smoothly for years to come. It's essential to follow the maintenance schedule recommended by Toyota, so you know exactly when to perform routine tasks. Let's dive into the key maintenance intervals and also explore what extra steps to take if you're driving in tough conditions. Regular maintenance intervals. Regular maintenance is the backbone of keeping your Toyota Sienna running like new. These tasks should be performed at specific intervals. Here are the basic services and their standard intervals. Oil changes. Every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Fresh oil keeps your engine lubricated and reduces wear and tear. Tire rotations. Every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. Rotating your tires helps to promote even wear and extends their life. Brake inspections. Every 10,000 miles. Checking your brakes ensures they're functioning properly and can prevent serious accidents. Fluid checks. At each oil change. This includes coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Air filter replacements. Every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. A clean air filter helps your engine breathe better and improves fuel efficiency. Spark plug inspection. Every 30,000 miles. Spark plugs are crucial for engine performance, and regular checks can prevent misfires and starting issues. These are the standard intervals for regular maintenance, ensuring your Sienna stays in top condition. Severe service schedule. If you often drive in harsh conditions, your Toyota Sienna might need more frequent maintenance. Severe driving conditions include frequently driving in heavy traffic in hot weather, making many short trips of less than 5 miles, driving on dusty or salty roads, towing a trailer, or carrying heavy loads. If your driving falls into any of these categories, follow the severe service schedule. Oil changes. Every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Severe driving can lead to quicker contamination of the oil. Tire rotations. Every 5,000 miles. Ensures tires wear evenly despite tough conditions. Brake inspections. Every 5,000 miles. More frequent checks can catch issues before they become critical. Fluid checks. More frequently, especially after towing or long trips. Helps catch low levels or contamination early. Air filter replacements. Every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. Dusty roads can clog filters faster. Spark plug inspection. Every 20,000 miles. Ensures reliable performance in challenging conditions. Adjusting your maintenance schedule based on your driving conditions can significantly extend the life of your Sienna. By understanding and following these maintenance schedules, you can keep your Toyota Sienna in peak condition, ensuring reliability and safety for every drive. Remember, sticking to these guidelines not only helps in the short term but also preserves the long-term value of your vehicle. Essential maintenance tasks. Keeping your Toyota Sienna running smoothly means staying on top of essential maintenance tasks. These are the basics you can't afford to skip, as ignoring them can lead to bigger problems down the road. Let's dive into the key areas that need your attention. Oil and filter changes. Regular oil and filter changes are crucial for your engine's health. The oil lubricates the engine parts, reducing friction and preventing overheating. Without clean oil, your engine can suffer from increased wear and tear, leading to costly repairs. Why it's important. Lubrication. Prevents metal parts from grinding, cooling. Helps maintain proper engine temperature, cleanliness. Filters out debris and contaminants. Make sure you replace the oil and filter every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on your driving habits and conditions. Tire maintenance. Tires are your car's only contact with the road. Proper tire maintenance is essential for safe driving. This includes regular tire rotation, alignment, and balancing. Key tasks. Rotation. Should be done every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. It ensures even tire wear, which extends the life of your tires. Alignment. Keeps your vehicle driving straight and reduces tire wear. Misaligned tires can cause uneven wear and impact handling. Balancing. Ensures smooth driving and minimizes vibrations. Unbalanced tires can lead to uneven wear and suspension issues. By taking care of your tires, you'll ensure a safer and more comfortable ride, while also saving money in the long run. Brake system. Your brakes are one of the most important safety features in your vehicle. Regular brake system maintenance ensures you can stop safely when needed. What to look for? Brake pads. Inspect every 10,000 miles. Worn-out pads can lead to longer stopping distances and damage to rotors. Rotors. Should be checked during every brake inspection. Warped or damaged rotors can cause vibrations and reduce braking efficiency. Brake fluid. Needs to be checked and replaced according to the manufacturer's schedule. Low or contaminated fluid can affect brake performance. Keeping your brake system in top shape is critical for your safety on the road. Fluid checks and changes. Fluids are the lifeblood of your vehicle. Regular checks and changes are essential for various systems to function properly. Essential fluids. Coolant. Helps regulate the engine's temperature. Check levels frequently and replace as needed. Transmission fluid. Ensures smooth shifting and protects gears from wear. Should be checked regularly and changed according to your vehicle's schedule. Brake fluid. Vital for braking power. Low or dirty brake fluid can compromise your brake's effectiveness. By keeping an eye on these fluids, you can prevent common issues and keep your Sienna running efficiently. Regular maintenance may seem like a chore, but it's essential for keeping your Toyota Sienna reliable and safe. Pay attention to these tasks, and you'll enjoy a smoother, stress-free driving experience. Seasonal maintenance tips. Preparing your Toyota Sienna for different seasons ensures it performs well year-round. Each season brings unique challenges, so it's crucial to adjust your maintenance routine accordingly. Let's explore how to get your Sienna ready for winter and summer. Winter preparation. Winter can be tough on your vehicle. Cold temperatures, ice, and snow require making sure your Sienna is up for the challenge. Here are some key tasks to focus on. Check the battery. Cold weather can reduce battery power. Make sure your battery is in good condition and fully charged. Consider having it tested if it's more than 3 years old. Use winter tires. Winter tires provide a better grip on snow and ice. They can greatly improve your safety during winter driving. Make sure they are properly inflated and have adequate tread depth. Ensure the heating system is operational. A functional heating system is crucial for comfort and safety. Check that your heater and defrosters are working efficiently. This includes making sure the blower motor, thermostat, and other components are in good condition. Thanks for watching part 1 of our Toyota Sienna maintenance guide. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cover more in-depth maintenance insights. See you next time. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.